Toyota RAV4, good car. Some of the things we were talking about, like on the battery terminals here, you can see them. So his, you can grab them, they're tight, they don't have any corrosion, nothing's building up on them. That actually looks really good, but it is worth looking at, and just, you can give them a little wiggle. It's not gonna hurt them, you won't get electrocuted. So here's coolant. On this car, you can see it has a little line that says low or full. So most cars have something similar to that. So just make sure your coolant stays in that little range. And you can see the level here of the fluid, especially going into summertime when it's hot. If you're low on coolant, probably gonna overheat. It's just better knowing you're full.
So there's a difference between a cooling system and my cooling system and the AC?
So your air conditioning and your engine cooling are two different things. This has, like, if you've heard of a water pump, that's what circulates the coolant through the engine, through the radiator. The air is moving through the radiator to cool down that coolant, and then it will put it back into the engine. So if you're not flowing coolant through, like if your water pump isn't working, thermostat is stuck, then you can end up overheating. Your air conditioning has its own little compressor for the refrigerant, and it has its own condenser, which is basically like a little radiator for the air conditioning. If that gets full of debris or hay or bugs or birds or whatever, it'll severely reduce how much cooling you get, which I like my AC to work really well because I don't like being hot. So I always clean the condenser out, make sure the front of the car stays clean. Just driving, especially out here, it's so dusty and stuff. All the fins in these get really packed with dirt. So you can blow them out with compressed air, you can use your water hose. But I always blow mine out just because I want the AC to be really good.